Hi, I'm Peter McAlpine. I'm one of the sales specialists here at Girardo & Co in Oxfordshire, and let us show you how Strongman lifts have helped us with our new storage unit. Welcome to our storage unit. As you can see, we've got our Strongman lifts all installed. The team have been fantastic in helping us get everything laid out beautifully and make sure the building works as well as it can.
So all the lifts that have been installed here by Strongman are very easy to operate just via this control pad here with an up and a down and a lock and an emergency stop button. They're great as they have low entry ramps, so it enables us to get a wide variety of vehicles in storage. So the great thing about the Strongman lifts is just how easy they are to operate. A case of pushing the car up to release the stops and then simply lower the car. The great thing is every 100 mil there's a locking mechanism, so that gives great flexibility in having a car lower or higher or to wherever you would like it. So this particular model of Strongman lift is the Donnington, and a great defining feature is the load-bearing wave plate in the centre of the lift. This means that we can store any classic vehicle which may be prone to oil leaks from time to time. You can rest assured that there will be no oil seeping through underneath to any vehicle that is parked directly below. The ramps will hold a maximum of 2.3 tonnes, which offers great flexibility for us in terms of storing vehicles anywhere across the board. Something that works great for our car storage facility with these Strongman lifts is the twin socket here that's mounted on the control panel. Enables us to plug in our long-term chargers on cars without any hassle. So another brilliant feature on the Strongman lifts is that me standing at 5'11", thereabouts, I can walk freely underneath the ramps without any worry of obstruction, so I can get around the back of the vehicles, around the side of the vehicles, and they just work very, very well.
My name's James Sultana. I'm from Strongman Lifts and I'm here visiting our clients Girardo & Co. 2 years ago, Girardo got in touch to advise that they'd like to expand their car storage capacity. We conducted site surveys, provided CAD support, and now what you see is they have been equipped with parking lifts.
The lifts are extremely low maintenance, and we have been storing some very exotic, high-value cars here. They have been installed for 2 years now. We've never had any problems at all, but always the team are very happy to help if there's any issues whatsoever.
The Donnington is a low-maintenance two-post parking lift. It can be found in car storage facilities up and down the country. It's a professional lift for professional car storage facilities.